Hello, this is Vanessa Roberts from Document Pro, an office that has dedicated over 20 years to assist our clients with the preparation of different forms. We are not attorneys, so today I'm going to just give you a little bit of an explanation about divorces. And it's important that you have an idea of what to do once you have decided to go that route. Okay, so the first thing that it's important to know is how is divorce called more properly in the legal field. And the way we refer to divorces is dissolution of marriage. That's how you would see on the papers and forms as a dissolution of marriage. And there's different types, as you may know, of divorces. Of course, the divorce that where there's children involved, and there's divorces where there's no children involved. There's divorces, of course, where there's children and properties, and some of them there is no children, but there is properties to be divided. Okay, those are two different type of divorces and are handled differently with different forms. There's also the divorce that is very simple, which means that two people wants to file divorce together, and that is called a mutual agreement divorce. And there is also a divorce with a missing spouse, which means that your spouse it's not in contact with you or vice versa. You don't know his or her whereabouts, and you need to file for divorce. Well, in the state of Florida, there's no problem. You can still file for divorce if you don't know where your spouse is located. Even if your spouse doesn't want to cooperate with his or her signature, you can still file for divorce. For more information, once again, you can give us a call. I'll be happy to give you all the information you need. But mostly and more importantly is to know that you can file for divorce even if your spouse is not in agreement with you. Okay? Where do we file for divorces? Well, there's different courthouses. The family court is the one that handles the divorces. The Supreme Court is the one that provides with the forms, and the local courthouses are the ones that handle the process. You have to find in your area, in your county, which courthouse has family court, and that's where you can go yourself and file for a divorce. Many people they decide to hire an attorney, and of course, having a legal representative is always helpful, but not necessarily. You're not obligated to hire an attorney. You can hire a legal assistant like myself, a legal firm like our company, or you can even do it yourself. Okay, you can represent yourself and you don't need to spend a lot of money, especially if your divorce is something simple. In our office, we handle not only the process, but also we do the case management, and we can just handle the entire divorce without you having to show up in court at all. Within 2-3 weeks, you'll be divorced. But once again, if you want to do it yourself, the courthouse has all the forms. You just need to go to the courthouse, buy the forms, and prepare it yourself. Okay? So I just want to give you just a little explanation about divorces. Another thing that is very important before I finalize my content, it's that no matter where you have got married, you need to file for divorce in the state you live in. If you live in Florida, you need to have over 6 months or 6 months to file for a divorce in Florida. Independently that if you have papers in the country, if you're legal, illegal, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter where you got married. The judges has jurisdiction over the matter, and therefore they can assist you with your divorce here. It's much more simple that way, and less the cost is a lot less than if you do it internationally. More likely, if you have to do any type of legal process, eventually, if you live in Florida and you file for divorce in another country, may be annulled because you need to file it here with your new jurisdiction. Okay. So once again, if you have any questions, you can always call our office 954 281 2295. You have our link with our website and our email address, and we would be more than happy to assist you and guide you through this process. Have a good day.